Hello everyone. My name is M. Akhil Chaturvedi. I got recently selected in Polytechnic Lecture Examination Selection Notification dated 10/11/2021. My education details are: I completed my BTech from G. Pullareddy Engineering College in Civil Engineering stream in the year 2016 with a GPA of 7.2, and I recently completed my MTech through JNTU Anantapur University with a GPA of 8.38 in structural engineering stream. My journey in these competitive exams started way back in 2016. I have written various exams like AE, AEE, RRBJE, SSC, JE, Polytechnic Lecture Examination and other examinations also. And I I recently cracked, as I told earlier, I recently cracked Polytechnic Lecture Examination. This Polytechnic Lecture Examination consists of mainly two parts. Part 1 is General Studies, which was conducted in the morning, and Part 2 is Civil Engineering stream subject. And this notification of this Polytechnic Lecture Examination has came in the year 2019, and the mains examination was conducted on March 12th, 2020. And after March 12th, 2020, we all know the pandemic has hit us and the lockdown has been kept. So the process of this examination has been delayed, and the results of this mains exam of Polytechnic Lecture Examination was given in January 2021. As I have seen, and I was glad to see my name for the selection in the interview. And on March 23rd, 2021, my interview was conducted. And mainly, when I have to tell about this Polytechnic Lecture Examination, as I have told earlier, it consists of two parts: General Studies part and the Civil Engineering stream part. As there are only two parts, and the General Studies part has played a vital role in my selection, because I have secured a raw marks of 111 and a normalized marks of 117 in this General Studies part, and the total my score was 293.11 after normalization. So General Studies played a vital role in my selection, and my relationship with Veerababu sir and Rupa IAS Academy started in 2016. I know Veerababu sir since 2016. I have taken online coaching 2019, and I have written test series also from Rupa IAS Academy in the year 2019. And after the results of mains in January 2021, the first person I got struck in my mind is Veerababu sir, because sir has an extensive knowledge in this interviewing, and he has conducted, I know that he has conducted many of mock interviews for IAS examination also. So I messaged Veerababu sir about my qualifying to this interview, and sir very warmly received it and guided me in all ways. And with the guidance of sir only, I have performed well in the interview. My interview panel was consist of 4 members. One member is the technical member from university professor, and one member is the ABPSC board member, and one member is general studies expert member, and one psychology member. And they have asked many questions, not only related to our subject. They asked our subject questions also, civil engineering. First I was asked to give my demo lecture, and I choose subject in analysis of structures, and analysis of trusses the topic I have chosen, and most of the questions I have received from the structures only. And in general studies also there were many questions asked, like the procedure of election of the president, and what are the procedure is called, and how the impeachment of the president is taken, and who will become the president if president is dead, who will become. About president, mainly my interview was focused about president, and various other questions also they have. Since March 23rd was the birthday of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev. It was March's day. So they asked that question also and say various other questions also. And with prior preparation and with prior guidance of Veerababu sir, I was able to conduct this interview very confidently. And after the interview also, sir encouraged me and assured me that I would get the result on my side. I am very thankful for sir for guiding me throughout this process. The last points I was say was I am as I have told about my BTech percentage also, it was 7.2. I am not a so intelligent student or a topper. I am just an average student. If I am able to do it, means anyone can do it. This is my sincere suggestion. But as process takes some time. Process may take some time, but it will yield results one day. And thank you for you all for giving me this opportunity, and all the very best.